she's built, as you can see, and I have had her on the water a good bit, as I'm sure you've seen by now as well. It has been a heck of a saga though with this thing and motors. I had the original 9.8 that it came with, the old 1982 Mercury 9.8. Still have it, but she's a pain, constantly giving me issues, constantly needing tune-ups, and it's also just not big enough. I grabbed those Tohatsu motors from that other episode, if you want to go watch me going and getting it running. It ran great, had tons of power, and it was fun. And then I hit something in the water, which destroyed it. Well, we made it back to the boat launch up here, and I don't know what we hit, but it flipped that motor up so stinking hard, broke this bracket off, and then its process snapped the quick coupler for the fuel fitting off, pretty much leaving us stranded out there. I then was loaned a motor that didn't run so good, but that's okay. And then I was kind of motorless, and this thing's been sitting. But just recently I was contacted by a really cool company called BoatMax Online, and what they do is sell motors. How about that? They want to help me with putting a motor here on the tiny boat. So we're gonna run over, check out their shop, grab the motor and bring it back and put it on this thing. So let's go. So I'm here with JC with BoatMax Online, and he's taking care of me to throw an outboard on the tiny boat project.
Yes, sir.
I love the story of how his whole business came together, and I thought he'd love to share that with you as well.
Well, so pretty much we started about 2.5 years ago. I've been in boating industry since I've been 12. I've been working with my dad at his dealership. My dad allowed me to have a container in the back of his yard, so I started shipping him out of there. And here we are 2.5 years later with our own warehouse, shipping out our own product and making kits and parts. We've grown from just portables to parts and accessories also.
And you can ship outboards from what horsepower up
So I can ship from 2.3 all the way to 30 horsepower.
To where,
Yep,
pretty much?
From pretty much anywhere in the continental United States. I'm allowed to ship to Alaska. Hawaii, it just depends on some conditions sometimes.
All right. That's awesome. What about big motors? What can you do like above the 30 horse?
Above 30 horsepower, according to the dealership agreement, we have to install them.
Okay.
And so the customer would come in,
Yep.
we would take off the old motor, we would install the new motor, rig it,
Yeah.
fill out the pre-delivery agreement, fill out the warranty, and everything's perfect.
And that's here in Delray Beach, Florida, right?
Yes, we either do it at this warehouse or also at my father's yard.
Okay.
Whenever it's needed, because we're a bit limited on space.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. So yeah, we're excited that we're working with BoatMax Online. If you need an outboard or anything like that, definitely hit them up.
Well, I appreciate it. We're really happy to be working with 50 Adventure to make your a nice little skiff.
Yeah, man, thanks. And we are back from BoatMax. Next step is to, of course, get her completely unboxed, put her on the tiny boat, do the initial service. Got to put oil in it, check the oil on the lower unit, hook up the battery. That's one thing I didn't tell you. She's electric start. How sweet is that going to be? And then we're going to throw it in the water and go have fun. Ready? Yep. Okay. Good. Look at that, nice and easy. All right, we got her on here. That wasn't hard at all. She only weighs like 100 pounds, real easy to just pick up and kind of set in place. Got her centered, tightened down. Next up, I gotta hook up the battery and put some oil in it and push the start button and see what happens. First, we gotta hook the fuel line up, which these new ones have this awesome little keeper right here. Why haven't they always had that? Got to make sure there's some oil in here. There it is. Good. There's only one thing left to do. Let's put this thing in the water and test it. Heck yeah! Well, that is awesome. Just a quick push of the button, the thing just purrs, and she is quiet. So right now I'm just idling out the canal. I guess I'm just gonna go tool around for a bit. Gotta run up my hours, do the whole break-in procedure on this thing, and then I can do the first service, and I'm pretty much able to just run her hard. Typical break-in procedure, you know, certain RPMs for a certain amount of time, just like any other motor, but loving the Suzuki so far. So this little motor is just running absolutely fantastic. I couldn't be happier with the whole setup. I can't wait to be able to run her wide open. I've been riding around for a good bit now, and it's exactly the power that this boat needs. It's not too much, not too little, just a nice happy spot. Just want to say thank you so much for following along on this whole build project, and it just keeps getting better and better. Also, it would mean absolutely the world to me if you would hit the subscribe button and just help me grow this channel. I'm really excited with how things are going, and watching this whole channel come together. It's a lot of fun to be involved in, and I would be truly blessed if you would join me in that. And yes, special thanks to JC over there at BoatMax Online. If you're in the market for a small outboard, it doesn't matter where you're at in the States, you get free shipping, and you can't beat that. And his prices are absolutely fantastic as well. So yeah, check them out. You can check their website, boatmaxonline.com. You can give him a call. Either way, let him know that Tim at Fifth Day Adventures sent you over to him, and I'm sure he will take great care of you. Other than that, I'm gonna go play with this boat a little bit more now that she's running so smooth. Till next time, I'm already out here. I'll see you on the water.